Alright, so looking at Tennessee Whiskey by Chris Stapleton. So there are two main chords in this song throughout the song that they repeat. Now I'm going to be showing you guys the two main chords and how they repeat. But also, if you want to play this on keyboards, I suggest doing it on organ. When I play it live, I usually do play it on some sort of Hammond organ or just organ walk bass. Now, of course, you can do this on piano too. Okay, but for the sake of this video, we'll do it on organ. So first chord. So we kind of chop this chord a little bit. So we start with an A in our left hand. And then in our right hand, we're playing this A chord. So thumb on E, third finger on A, pinky finger on C sharp. Okay. B. And again, you could, if you wanted to play the actual melody too, and even for the guitar in the beginning, to substitute it, you can play this. Anyway, but our next chord, okay, we go up, we play our B in our left hand, and then in the right hand you play a B minor chord. So we have second finger on F sharp, third finger on B, pinky finger on D, and this is above middle C. This is the B minor above middle C. So we have A for the intro. So you play left hand first, then right hand. Left hand, right hand. More advanced players, if you want to add a little the D chord there too, you can. So we have sing. Used to spend my nights down a barroom, liquor was the only love I've known. But you rescued me from reaching for the bottom and brought me back from being too far gone. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy, and honey, I stay stoned on your love all the time. And again, this does repeat throughout the song, just these two main chords that you're going to have to play. But again, this is something that you can get unique with, get fancy with, and I figured I'd do one of these videos like this for you guys on a song that's usually not played on keys, but that you can make sound really, really cool on a keyboard. And again, I choose to do this playing the organ. When I play this song live, when I perform this song live, I always play this on the organ. Kind of gives it that cool feel. But again, you can play this on piano as well. Would probably be an octave lower though, because of the tonalities. See, it just doesn't sound as effective. I mean, electric piano. Electric piano might also sound kind of cool, okay? But again, I usually always play it on this organ. So as long as you have these two chords, the A chord, and the B minor, you're pretty much set for this song. But again, it's to make it sound unique, make it your own. So left hand usually plays first before the A. Sweet strawberry wine, you're as warm as a glass of brandy. And on the house there's no on your love. Okay, so you can get really crazy with it. Yeah, I love singing this song. As you can probably tell, I love singing it. But yes. You can even get crazy on the guitar solo and make it a keyboard solo. So for all my performers who are just starting out and you want to find an acoustic song to play on keyboards, make Tennessee Whiskey your own. Play it on organ. You can also play it on piano, electric piano, whatever you choose. But that is a little short tutorial on how to play Tennessee Whiskey on keyboards and make it your own. If you guys got anything out of that video, please give it a like. Hit that subscribe button. It means so much to me, guys. Thank you for all of your support. But also, comment down below. I'm also looking for new ideas for piano tutorials. Songs that you want to learn, I can teach them to you. Well, that's it for me. I will see you guys next Friday. Peace out, y'all.